Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanchika, and if you are new to my channel and watching my video first time, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit that bell notification button so whenever I upload a new video you'll be notified. And also we are going to hit very soon 17k subscriber on my channel, so thank you so much guys for all your love and support. So let's get started with today's video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you a review of L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour matte foundation. And L'Oreal is kind enough that they have sent me this entire box with full of foundation, so I'm really excited to share with you the entire range. But before we get into the video, I want to tell you that I have posted a picture on Instagram featuring this product, and I have received a lot of comment that from where they can get this product. And so basically guys, this packet is specially customized for bloggers. So I have received this packet from L'Oreal and it's a PR package for bloggers. So I'm going to share with you the detailed review of L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour matte foundation. Can you see the packaging is really beautiful? And let me show you. So I have received all 8 shades from this range. So basically they have total 10 shades, but I have received 8 shade in this packet. I think 101.5 is missing and 105.5 is missing, because both the shades have a slight difference, and I think in Indian skin tone these all 8 shades are enough, so that's why they have make the packaging accordingly. So guys, as you can see that it basically written here is 24-hour matte, and I have received from the shade 101 to 108. So this one is 101, 102, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I'm also going to share with you the swatches as well. So let's talk about the packaging first. As you can see, the packaging is really simple and it's basically in a tube form, and they have mentioned the shade number here and the quantity as well. So basically this one is 105, that is my shade I'm wearing right now, and its name is Natural Base, and this product retails for 750 rupees, and you will get 30 ml of product, and it's basically air light and oil-free formula. It also claims a lot of things, like it basically gives you a demi matte finish. That is true because I'm wearing right now, and it seriously give you a matte finish. And second one, it's basically a air light formula. That is also true because I am not feeling heavy on my skin, so it basically a very light foundation that you can wear this foundation on your daily basis. And also it gives you a medium coverage. So yes, as you can see that my dark circle is little visible right now because it gives you a medium coverage, but that's fine for me because I do not like to put heavy foundation on daily basis. But I'm still liking this product because I like the overall overall finishing on my face, so I'm really happy with this product. I was looking to buy these kind of foundation only because we need some product sometimes for a shoot and sometimes to go out. So it also claims that you can wear this foundation for 24 hours, and it basically a transfer proof, heat proof, it gives you a natural look, and it basically a oil free foundation, so that is a very good thing. So now I'm going to share with you the swatches as well of all 8 shades. So the first one is 101, and it's basically a classic ivory. So let me take a little bit. Okay, so the second one is 102, and its name is Shell Beige. So the third one is 103, and its name is Natural Buff. So the fourth one is 104, and its name is Golden Beige. And the fifth one is 105, that is my shade, and its name is Natural Beige. And 106, and its name is Sun Beige. So the seventh one is 107, and its name is Fresh Beige.
So
So the last shade is 108 and its name is Caramel Beige. So guys, my hand is already full, so I'm going to swatch here. This is a 108. Okay, so I have swatches of all 8 foundation and only 2 shades is missing, that is 101.5 and 105.5, but those shades are also available on Nykaa, so you can check them out. And I think by these swatches you can easily figure out which shade is yours. So, and also guys, this foundation is transfer proof and waterproof, and I'm also going to share with you that it will transfer or not, so don't forget to watch this video till the end. And this is such a great foundation, guys. I highly recommend this foundation to you. And also guys, if you try this product, so please do share your reviews in the comment section below. And I'm also going to come up with a lot of new brands and a lot of new products on my YouTube channel. So guys, I really hope that you like the review, and if you like the review, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a huge thumbs up. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.